Hello, everyone. I hope that you're all doing well. I just wanted to go over some important announcements for the upcoming assignments and what we have left in this semester. Um, so to start off, we did finish last week all of the midterms, and now you will be assigned new partners. This information is already on D2L. Here is the list. If you go all the way down in our announcements section on the course homepage, this is where you're going to be able to find the information. If for any reason you are unable to contact your partner, please let me know so that I can get you in contact with them. Also remember to go over the policies and the syllabus regarding any partner issues or anything else about the uh, dialogues that you guys might have questions about to let me know. Okay, so I'm also going to be talking about Module 4. That has just been released to you guys so you can see everything that you need to see. We do have the oral presentation 2. That's going to be due this Sunday. Then the following week after that, you guys have to complete the peer feedback. And that weekend, you also have to complete the rough draft of the composition. 2 weeks after that, we have the final draft of the composition. And as always, we have every Sunday that you have to complete the VHL and the partner dialogue activities. So let's go ahead and go through Module 4 so we can see what you guys will be doing for these assignments. So if you go to Module 4 under Presentations, you do have to put it into VoiceThread. It's going to be the same thing as we did last time with the PowerPoint slides. Okay, make sure to include the 5 PowerPoint slides. The title one does not count. Your presentation must be in Spanish. It should be at least 4 minutes in length. And remember not to read. That is very, very important. You need to be speaking and talking about the topics that you're presenting on. Oh, excuse me. And you should also make sure that your PowerPoint slides do not contain a lot of written information. And you should also not be reading the written information that is on your slides. What I'm looking for on the slides are titles to the different images or very important block text. It should not be sentence after sentence after sentence. It should not even be really complete sentences. It should just be something small, bullet points, something that you guys to help you, to aid you in the presentation, but you shouldn't be reading off of the slides, okay? The topic, investigate an organization that serves Latinos or Latinas, Spanish speakers in your community. Make a presentation about the organization, the services they provide, the community that they serve. This is important as well. Use past, present, and future tenses with 4 phrases with the present subjunctive. So make sure that you guys are using all of those different verb tenses, as that is going to be taken into consideration in the evaluation of your presentations. Okay, so that the presentations will be due this coming week. Okay, the week after that, you guys will have your peer review, and we'll go over that in next week's video. You guys are also going to be having another composition coming up. I did not put the topic this time because I had a lot of students prepare in advance their rough draft and not really use the quiz for the rough draft the way it was supposed to be used. So you guys will be getting the topic when the quiz opens, which should be next week, I believe, because it's due the following weekend. So the quiz will open on the 4th, the Wednesday, and then the rough draft will be due on the 8th. But once you open the quiz, you have to finish it. So make sure you guys are taking that into account. Also, make sure that you guys are reading the instructions. A lot of you lost points on the final draft of your composition because you didn't follow directions. You do need to format it as a regular assignment that you're turning in. The final draft, the rough draft, I don't expect to have any formatting because you're turning it in via quizzes. The final draft, however, needs to be turned in through a Word document, B double space, 12 point font, Times New Roman, needs to have your name. It shouldn't be just a paragraph turned into me through assignments. You also were supposed to highlight the changes that you made based on the feedback that I gave you. So a lot of you guys lost points because you didn't do this. Also, a lot of you lost points because you did not address all of the comments that I made on your papers. I did hear from some of you that you guys said that when you opened your Word document, you didn't realize that you had to actually download the document in order to see the comments and not just the track changes. So make sure that you're actually downloading the document that I send you and going over it and coming to me with any questions so that I can help you guys before the assignments are due. Okay, so that is what's going to be due here from Module 4. If you have any questions about these items, please let me know. Let's go to VHL. So this Sunday we are going to be resuming the VHL activities. We do have the homework assignments as well as the partner dialogues, and those can be found here. The first partner dialogue, Cultura la Música, and then also Para empezar, La Familia Rodriguez. So we're not really seeing any new grammar topics in this lesson that we haven't seen. I believe it's just a further use of the subjunctive, and we will be starting lesson 4 in VHL. So I believe this lesson wraps up, this assignment wraps up lesson 3. So after you guys turn this in, that's when I will grade lesson 3 for you. So be on the lookout for those grades as well. You should also already have your midterm grades, and I am working on finishing the partner dialogues. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know about any of these items that we went over. So I hope you have a good week, and please get into contact with me. We can meet through Adobe Connect, or we can talk through email to discuss any questions or concerns you might have.